Hello friends, welcome back to the science lecture. Up till now we know about stems and flowers. In this video we will know about fruits and leaves. So first of all we will know about fruits. See, I have taken this fruit. This is orange fruit. Fine. So fruit is basically what a flower is there. Flower grows into fruits. Fruits has two types of fruits are there. Some fruits have only one seed, like mango is there. It has only one seed. Fine. But some fruits have more than one seeds. So orange is a fruit which has more than one seeds. I have cut this orange. You can see the seeds of this orange. There are many seeds in orange. Fine. So the main parts of a fruit is seed. Main part of a fruit is seed. When we sow seed in ground, then plants grow. In that plants, flowers grow, and through that flower, that fruits take shape. Fine. So flowers grow into fruits, and then inside the fruit there are many seeds or one seed. That seed grows into a plant, and then again in plant flowers come, and through that flower fruits come. Fine. Now we are going to know about the most important part of a plant. That important plant is leaf of a plant. That important part is leaf of a plant. So first of all, we know that what are the parts of a leaf. Leaf has the tip. Topmost part of a leaf is known as tip. Second is leaf blade. Leaf blade means you can see this leaf. You can see this leaf. Leaf blade means this flat part of the leaf. Flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade. Now third part is midrib. What is midrib? This is midrib, the thin tube in the middle of a leaf. You can see this line. You can see the line on the leaf. This line, this main line of the leaf is called midrib. And next part is vein. You can see this main line, main straight line, and after this, from this straight line, there are many branches of lines are there. So these branches of lines are small tubes that running along the blades that are known as veins. Fine. So leaf has how many parts? First one part is tip. This is the topmost part. Second one is vein. Third one is leaf blade. Fourth one is midrib. And one more part is there, that is called petiole. What is petiole? Now you can see that leaf is attached with the help of this one part to the stem. Leaf is attached with the stem with the help of a part. This part is called petiole. Fine. So this part, through this part leaf is attached with stem. This part is called petiole. Fine. So you know about what are the parts of a leaf. Now why I am telling that leaf is the most important part of a plant? Because leaf makes food for plants. Fine. Without leaf, plant cannot make food. So what is there? In leaf there are many small holes. That very tiny holes are there. That holes you cannot see with naked eye. For that you have to use microscope. From these holes are known as stomata. Through these holes, what happens? Leaves that takes in carbon dioxide and exit oxygen and water. So when in daytime, when leaf get carbon dioxide from atmosphere, that time excess water and oxygen exit from that leaf, and that carbon dioxide with the help of water, sunlight makes food. This leaf makes food with the help of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. And one more thing that is very much important, that the green color of the leaf is there because of the presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a type of chemical. With the help of all these things, chlorophyll is a pigment, it is a type of chemical. With the help of all these things, leaf make food for plants. When leaf make food, then with the help of stem, it goes to all parts of the body and plants survive. And one more thing is that when plant make food, that process is called photosynthesis, and during photosynthesis, excess water and oxygen exit from the plant. That oxygen we take in. We inhale. That oxygen we inhale. That is why we are alive. Otherwise, we cannot live. We cannot survive. So, plant is a very important thing. Plant play a very important role in our life. Whatever we get food, we get shelter, we get water, we get fresh air. All these things are possible only with the help of plants. So I hope you all understood and enjoyed. Thank you so much, everyone.